time to resell, it's time to resell in the ATL, 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 resell, it's time to resell in the ATL, ATL flipper.
Hey, what's going on? My name is Derek, also known as the ATL Flipper, and I'm a full-time reseller on eBay and Mercari. I'm going to take you with me today to hit some thrift stores to show you what you can resell and flip on eBay. Alright, if you like this type of content, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Alright guys, let's go ahead and head out and hit some thrift stores. First item I picked up was this Spanx Pants. They're asking $7 for it. And as you can see, it's brand new. Spanx by Sarah Blakely. And yes, brand spanking new, size 24. So the comps will be on the screen. But yeah, I'm definitely grabbing this one. Look what I found, y'all. This Astro Coat right here, guys. Or jacket. And they're only asking $14, $15 for it. But y'all, the comps are crazy, y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all the crumps. I'm gonna show y'all the comps. And it has a little flaw right here, but I'm gonna get that stitched up for like $5, $10. That ain't nothing. But yeah, this sells for a lot. I'm gonna get it dry clean and get it listed. The next item y'all I picked up was this Adidas tracksuit with the pants, got the joggers in it, and they're only asking $10 for it. And I'm actually gonna keep this myself because it's my size, and I'm gonna just wear this, you know, during the when it get a little chilly outside. Alright y'all, then the last clothing item I picked up from this thrift store was this Nike SB jacket, bomber jacket, and they're asking $17 for it. But y'all, this super clean. It doesn't even look like it's been worn, but I can't list it as brand new because I think it has been worn. Yep, it's been worn. But yeah guys, this jacket right here goes for around, well, y'all gonna see the comps. I'm gonna show y'all on the screen, but I'm definitely going to grab this one right here. Alright y'all, now to the electronics. And the first electronic I picked up was this keyboard. They're asking $4 for it. And shout out to Akil McLeod because he's the one that he stayed picking up these Microsoft keyboards. So I looked up the model number, and the model number, these sell very well on eBay. So I'm definitely going to scoop this up for $4. Then the next item I picked up was this remote, this Denon remote. Denon, however you say it, whatever, how you pronounce it, I don't know. But I'm definitely going to scoop this one up. The comps y'all see are on this on the screen for y'all, and they're only asking $1 for it. And y'all, this one sells pretty well, so I'm definitely going to scoop it up. There's no corrosion in it, so it actually looks brand new. But yeah, I'm definitely grabbing this one. Y'all, then the next item I picked up for $4 was this MacBook Charger. I've never seen one of these before. I don't really fool around with Apple products. What?
Yeah, I said it. Shout out to Android.
Tripping.
But yeah, I'm scooping this one up for only $4. And y'all see how much it's going for. So yeah, I'm definitely grabbing this one. It's used, so I'm gonna list it as a pre-owned. Alright, now onto the shoes. Then I picked up these Jordan Retro 6s. These are a size 4Y. And they're only asking $9 for it. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna grab these. Then the next item I picked up was a pair of these Pierre Hardy. I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm definitely going to scoop it up because the comps are really well on these, are really good on these. They're only asking $6 for it. And let me know, y'all, in the comments if you've heard of Pierre Hardy before. The bottoms are in good condition and everything. So yeah, I'm going to grab these, but definitely let me know if you've heard of this brand before. Then I found these Jordan Retro 6s in toddler size, and they're only asking $6 for it. So I'm definitely going to grab these too. Then I found a pair of Jordan 1s in toddler size, and they're asking $5 for these too. So I'm definitely going to grab these too. And I can flip these, y'all, very well. A lot of people don't like picking up kid shoes, but I love picking up kid shoes because kid shoes are light to ship, and they actually can sell depending on what model and what brand they are. They can actually sell very well. So I always pick up kid shoes. And the last pair of shoes I picked up were these Nike Air 270s, Air Max 270s. And these are actually really dirty, but I'm definitely going to clean these, y'all. As y'all saw in the other video, if you haven't, I'll put a link up here so you can see me clean some Nike Vapor Max, but I'm definitely gonna get these cleaned up. They're only asking $8 for it, and they're in okay condition once they're gonna be in okay condition once I fix them up. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna grab these. Alright guys, that's all I picked up at this thrift store. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'm gonna see you all down in the comments. Peace.
It's time to resell, it's time to resell in the ATL.